So the DJi Action 4, is it the new king of action cameras, or does the GoPro Hero 11 still reign supreme? Well, there's only one way to find out. I'm going to strap both these cameras to myself, put them through some stress video test conditions, and you're going to get to decide which one comes out on top. I will set both cameras to their highest video quality possible. That's 5.3K on the GoPro and 4K on the Action 4. Both cameras will be recording at 25 frames per second, and both cameras will have their stabilisation set to on. Both cameras were purchased by myself and I have no affiliation with either company, thus this is a completely unbiased, independent test. Plus you get to decide which one is best. Right, that's enough waffle, let's jump straight into it. So there you have it, just a very quick test of both action cameras. Let me know your thoughts in the comments below, what one you think was best and the reasons why. But that's going to wrap up this video. Thank you very much for watching. If you've enjoyed it, please give it a big thumbs up. If you want to see further videos like this, make sure you subscribe to the channel and we'll catch up in the next video. Thank you very much for watching. See you soon.